Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I want to give you guys a general overview on the Nordica. This is the ThermoRosa D.S.A model. So this thermo model is going to be designed for hydronic heating. Most of your firebox here is going to be the cast iron. The top, kind of dark, kind of hard to see, is going to be a black. Located above, this is what's different on these thermo models, is you do have the water jacket. So these tubes that you're looking at on the top, this is going to be your water jacket. So again, this is a hydronic model. I really hope that you guys find these videos helpful. If you do like our videos, please don't forget, give us a thumbs up, click subscribe to our channel. You can click it in the corner there for all of our latest updates. Thank you all so much for watching. God bless and have a wonderful day.